Now, there can be situations where you want to view the documents from your collection which have a difficulty easy, and you also want to view the documents which have a difficulty hard. So in our collection, we have one object which has the difficulty level easy and one object which has the difficulty level hard. So basically, there are two documents which meet the criteria. So how can you define that sort of criteria? And that is not very different to what we saw in the previous video. We can use the find function and we can make use of the same parameter, but rather than assigning just a single value to this key, we can assign a list of values. So we'll have to build a list, and let us to build the list, but we also need to put this list inside another object. So I'm just putting this list inside another object, and then this object will have a $in key, and that $in key is assigned this list. So what we are saying that get me all the documents from the questions collection which have a difficulty value of one of these, at least one of these. So it can either be easy or hard. So we are saying if the difficulty is inside this list, has a value which matches any of the items inside this list, then return that document. And we can see that MongoDB has returned two documents. The first document which it has returned has a difficulty of hard, which is indeed present in this list, and another document which has a difficulty value of easy, again that is something which we can find in this list. So this is how you can return documents from MongoDB based on the value of a key, and you can add more values to this key if you want to have more objects returned. You can amend your criteria quite easily. Now, just to demonstrate that we can amend this list and see a different result, I'm saying that give me all the documents which have difficulty level of easy or a difficulty level of medium, and if I scroll I can see that I'm returned the documents with the difficulty of medium and also easy, and it should be returning about 7 documents. So we can see that there are 7 documents which have been returned by this filter criteria.